Alright guys, today I have this really cool little product for you today. If you don't know what this is basically a set of helping hands. This is something that we use when we're soldering and working on small objects and working with electronics. You can also use it for hobbies, you can use it for wooden items, you can basically use it for anything that you just need a couple little extra hands to help you hold something in place while you're either soldering or gluing or attaching or taping or whatever the case may be. Let's go ahead, we're going to point the camera down and take a little bit closer look at this setup. Alright, so here is the little device right here. It is a steel plate. It does have a nice rubber padding on the bottom to give it grip and a little cushioning onto your tabletops and your workbenches and your surfaces. Now these are two magnetic clamps. You have two different clamps. You have a metal one right here for stuff that might be getting really hot. And then you have one right here. I mean, this is metal also, but it does have rubber tips if you need something that's a little more gentle. And the way that you use this, of course, is you just drop it onto your base. And of course, with the magnetic base, you can place these anywhere that you needed to put them, and it's not going to be a problem at all. So let's say, for instance, if we wanted to solder this wire to this wire, we would just simply clamp this one in right here. Then we could clamp this one in right here, and then we could slide these to where they're making contact, just like so. And then you just need your solder and your soldering iron. Because if you've done a lot of soldering, you guys know how tedious these setups can be. Trying to get wires and things to stay where they are. Then you just touch this on here. And there you go. A nice solder joint without anybody having to help or hold it. How cool is that? Even if you were working on smaller motors or soldering up these motors, you could spin this around. You could clamp it on the shaft of the motor if you had to, just like this, to hold it in position. You could have this hold the wire if you needed to. It's just unlimited the possibilities that you can do with this little helping hand setup. So if you're in the electronics world, me and my son, we like to do combat robotics and we do travel a lot, so it's good to have something small and compact like this to make our soldering life so much easier. It's going to help speed up our repair time, and it's going to take away a ton of aggravation because we're not going to have to be holding stuff or like twisting wires together or putting stuff down on the table and trying to solder off the tabletop. We now have this cool little setup to help us with our hobby. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.